Say, hey, welcome to Cape Coast. And in there, like we do, make we travel. We're always traveling around the country to find out some exciting places that you can actually have fun anytime you visit. It's in there, yeah, what the hearts of the coast, Cape Coast.
Central region, first and best and everything. Yeah, was oh yo, yeah, was oh yo. Fifth in the man tom, I has the urban copium.
What was it? I was a friend. I don't know. So a cabo corso, say cabo. What's that name? Cabo corso. It be Spanish or Latin. All right. So with that, let me invite my own brother from the Kuntuland, Saltland. Manny, I say. So today I'm in Cape Coast. Make we travel. I'm always inviting people on a traveling journey. We are in Cape Coast, and this is not Dubai. This is Cape Coast. The place looks different. Charlie, how do you see this place?
I think because first yeah, shut down baby but it's a good call. I think we need to patronize now. So often in time perfect. First we'll go no watch it. Papa.
For the first time in my life, the fancy man they speak English. We the English man they speak fancy. All right, so by the case, a great presenter on ATL Atlantic Radio on UCC campus. Now today I'm doing the tour with him and then just to find out reasons why you should be in Cape Coast. And we are celebrating the Ghana 65 in Cape Coast. I would like to tell you some of the places you should be when you come to Cape Coast. Your community gardens, one of the wonderful places. We have a lot of boats, jet skis and all that to take you around the Fosul Lagoon. You've seen this. A lot of people travel to Akosombo and all that, to have fun. But the Cape Coast to Accra is just some few hours drive. So we'd like to invite you here to also have fun. Manny, apart from coming to such places in Cape Coast, where else would you advise people, tourists who are coming into the town around next 2 weeks? Or
I think the Cape Coast, to them, it's the tourism hub in Ghana.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't talk about tourism at Cape Coast.
Please give me your for seminar. I have a lot of international viewers.
This is Cabo Coastal, like you said. There are lots of places to visit if you come down. This is one of the places, community gardens. We didn't have this before, but now it's in session. So when you come, you can visit the place and have an experience. Then we have the St. George's Castle, also at Elmina. That's the Elmina Castle. When you come there, you can also have a feel of the castle life and get the brief history about the whole setup. And then the one that we have at Cape Coast, that is the Cape Coast Castle, the Carolsberg Castle. So 2 castles in the same region, one in Elmina and then one in Cape Coast. There's also the library for the late president at Tabels.
Is it still working?
It's not working, but people come around to take pictures, for
what's
for
the
cameras.
essence of we having a library that we can read?
I think there's a fracas between the contractor and then the government. Until they settle that case, I'm not sure we're going to have it open by now. But people come around because it's directly opposite the castle. They get to take pictures after they come out of the castle store. And then there's Kakum National Park. That's a reserve park on the Jokwa Road. That's a place that people come to have a feel of. Actually, one of the pointers when you're coming to Cape Coast, you need to be on the canopy, and so you can also get there and then have a feel of it as well. And they have opened up the place a little bit, so there's a place for the children that you can go and have fun with. The children's park, just at the frontage before you get into the canopy yard. Plus, there are some eateries in Cape Coast. Yes, we have one at Bacano.
Yeah, what's the name of the place?
A punching kakra.
Damn.
A punching kakra. But funny enough, on your punching, I was it.
Oh,
Akokwana was it.
I say,
You know,
Cape was
it's a town of beautiful nonsense. Yeah, so you can expect.
But
anything.
why? Why another way you be? Is it hard to go to
It's not hard. It's not hard. But I asked one of them, and they were like, I think there was miscommunication between the people and then the town folks.
Anyway, we thank God on your Aponche Coco, but would have been a different story.
And when you come to the stretch of Daddy Saddle, just opposite, there's Ahima, there's Emma. There's Becky K. We're not doing ads for anybody, but these are the issues when you come to Cape.
What about places people can jam? I know of Highway.
Yes,
Highway.
Yes, Highway.
Bowers Place. I mean, yesterday I was there. The place was beautiful. Charlie, the place.
Highway were every
stadium mentioned one.
Sudu Stadium mentioned. Formerly Friends Garden.
Yes.
Highway no
Highway. The place is.
I mean, from Friday, Saturday, Sunday evenings, you can go there and have fun. It's a touch of Accra in Cape Coast, I would say. Yeah. And
then places people would love to lay their hairs. And you find about recommend hotels with good, places that one corner one blast.
I'm not being biased, but I think Summit is one of the places you have to be. Talk of hospitality is top notch.
Yeah, I've been there.
There is also one at behind, I think opposite Addis Ababa on the highway, Capitol Hill. Okay. Yeah, one of the nice places you can find in Cape.
I think I made that baby. So there's a place called
Kokodo. It's a secret yard.
Yeah.
And
it's
people
they do things there.
Yeah, second range side. 18 one Kokodo. It's a hideout and it's honey on Tambo. If you know, you know.
You know. Okay, now let's come to your space too. When people travel into the city, there are radio stations and TV stations they would love to watch. Which radio stations are alert kakra people will be saying a mass of so.
Okay. Mass, I think Eagle FM wouldn't be bad.
Yes.
Yeah, because it's one of the stations. We're back where it was on top.
Yeah.
It's on campus, CCTU, Family Cape Coast Polytechnic. So Eagle FM.
Former Dr. Pound's new radio station.
Yes, Dr. Pounds of Hit FM.
And man can't ask no former radio station.
It's
bias kakra.
If you Eagle FM, sir, you can touch on Darling.
Yeah.
For the mass radio, Candyman station, and the station, and that's Kingdom. Yeah. That's for the
I was there yesterday with Jungo.
And for the elite, like you're saying, of course, 100.5 ATL FM.
Atlantic Radio.
Absolutely. You can't listen to any other station.
No.
Apart from
radio or university. And see, what bro for papa undiluted bro.
If you're actually full. So it's 100.5. Anytime you drive in Cape Coast, just tune in and have a feel of it from morning to morning.
Any TV station here?
TV station, the one that we can pride ourselves in or with is Coastal TV.
Coastal TV.
Yeah.
Okay, let's leave it there.
Coastal TV.
Let's leave it there. Sure, but there's another station here people haven't paid attention to. My friend, Catfill,
because it's
a religious,
so much into religion. People don't really buy into it, but it's also a niche for itself.
Yeah. So, like here, what but Cape Coast, please eat in Cape Coast, sleep in Cape Coast, watch, listen what we have in Cape Coast. And there's one thing. This is very love to speak about it, but when men are moving into town, they always want places that they can find beautiful women. I don't know, low key.
Baby, but
it's
a chrome muffin.
All right.
No, what show?
All right. But alas, with trouble, baby, I want a live band. Hey, we would have sisters but anyway, they now count on a acronym. So we're inviting you to the 65 celebration. Now governments in our will be up in your region and we here they are listening for banner. They will patronize what we have. They will patronize our services and all that. So we are inviting the whole Ghana, the whole world there on the 6th of March. They should be in Cape Coast. What about they should look for Manny K? He's one of the most influential persons here. If you want him to take you around, show you, give him some dollars on GCDs now on your have fun. So my name is DJ Paco Rich. This is called Make We Travel. And we traveled all the way to Cape Coast. Our next stop, and we'll let you know. My name is DJ Paco Rich. The production is being done by Josh Mario, and on the drone is Kobe T. We'll see you next time on this same show. Bye bye. Subscribe to our channel, man. More.